In this video, we're going to talk about how to do a switch statement in Python. Almost every language has this. Now, they added a specific switch statement in Python 3.10, which is the latest version that was out in 2021. And it's match, and you put the variable in, and then you have a series of cases. A, B, C, could be numbers, whatever you want here that logically equals. And then you can do something here. Right now I'm just printing out letters and print that missing letter. The case other is the fallback if none of the other ones match. Now, for other versions, which is most, likely you'll be on older versions, you do if, elif, not else if, but elif, and then else is your final catch-all. And so we do the same thing with if, elif, and then else. And this is the same as match, case, and case other. Hope you learned something. Smash that like button down below so I can help more people. Subscribe if you hadn't, and I'll see you in the next video.